Have you ever wondered if the Better Business Bureau or the BBB truly has your back? Well, or maybe it could be an organization that has the interests of themselves? We'll see. Today we're going to take a deep dive to find out exactly the truth.
BBB, Better Business Bureau, that is, would like to present itself as champions for consumers, a place ideally where you could check on a business's credibility, resolve some complaints. But behind this polished image, there are some troubling allegations that suggest otherwise. So what are they? Well, here you go. In 2010, ABC did an episode of 2020 titled The Best Ratings That Money Can Buy. So apparently businesses could get an A rating from the Better Business Bureau simply by paying for a membership plan, regardless of their actual performance. Shockingly enough, as it would be, even non-existent companies, in other words, fake listings, were given an A rating by the BBB immediately after paying for their membership. And then, oddly enough, for businesses that are listed there but didn't list themselves, meaning the BBB just kind of had them there but they weren't going to pay those membership fees, they'll get like C ratings and so forth. So this definitely calls into question some of their unscrupulous activities.
Okay, so the controversies don't stop there. So in 2013, one of their largest chapters in the LA-based chapter was expelled. They were saying that they were failing to meet accreditation standards, so they had to rebrand to a business consumer alliance. Shady.
Yeah. So in other words, people are jumping ship. Now, that's not all. If you look at their own Google reviews, which I personally love Google reviews much better than anything the BBB has to say or do or offer, because there's no incentive. It's just raw and real. But if you look at their own Google reviews from both consumers and business owners, they have horrible ratings. Local chapter after local chapter have horrible Google ratings, which definitely calls into question the organization's unfair practices and legitimacy altogether. And then a lot of critics go as far as to label the Better Business Bureau basically an extortion group on some level, which isn't far-fetched when you hear these stories and you look at basically their paying members getting better treatment than non-paying members. Now, my personal take on this is my personal take. As a business owner, in this day and age, they probably could do very, very little for any of us. So I don't see a benefit to paying memberships. I see them as like a relic from old days, like the yellow pages and the newspaper ads. They're just like a leftover relic that hasn't died yet, because just their relevancy, it definitely is outshined by things like Google reviews. Even Yelp is kind of like, it's kind of a joke anymore. Oh, I left a review on Yelp. Who goes to Yelp?
So it is dying, and it's just dying a slow death. So with everything that we provided you guys, all of these instances, it unfortunately is going down the tubes, the BBB. So don't worry about it.
I would just, personally, I would say steer clear. I have no use for them. I don't know if I've got good reviews or bad reviews or a C rating or an A rating. I don't care. It has nothing to do with the revenue that we generate. We have really good Google reviews. So. We have great Google reviews, right?
Important.
So, which is what we do, which is the proof of service. So, if the BBB wants to give me a C rating because they won't be extorted by them, well, you take it with a grain of salt, I guess. So that's it for today. If you found this useful, then like and subscribe to get more notifications when we come out with more videos.
Absolutely, guys.
Right.
God bless.
And we'll see you on the next one.